Hey guys, it's Boite and we're making a video and we're playing Build a Boat for Treasure. And this game is like you have to build a boat and save it and do all that stuff. So I have a boat here. What you do to save it, you have to like build a boat and then press here, press slot A, whatever, press save, and then once you save it, you press load and then your boat loads. So I did that. I'm going to save this boat because I don't know. And now this boat you can walk with it. So this is how you control your boat with this. So it's really fun. Okay, ready? I started the vid. I started the vid cat and I am naked. Look at this. Oh, hi YouTube. Okay, so this is the glitch. Let's go. Okay. So this doesn't go with it, so you just have to walk. Really. Oh look, her cannon. I pressed it. Whoa. Okay. Oh, her boat went into pieces. Oh no. Okay, so let's go. So I am actually controlling this right now. If I don't control it, it just stops. So this is funny. Look how funny this looks. Okay, so we gotta keep on going. So this game is you have to go through obstacle courses with your boat. You can't control it, but I got this glitch and then I can control my boat and then I don't get hit. So I don't know how this is gonna do in water and lava because I don't know how it is because this is like wood. Except for if you're talking about the end. Okay, so I'm dodging this. She said, let's go on pink team. I'm saying that because I died. Okay. So, I really like this glitch because it's really funny. Especially when people are on it. Because they're like saying, this is crazy. We're never going to end. And that's just funny. So, I'm trying to do more. Oh no, I bottom. Okay, no, I just turned. Okay, so I gotta make it. So I'm on it, she said. Okay, I'm gonna text her back. Okay, keep on going. Wow, girl. Okay, this is so funny. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Okay. Okay, no, the glitch. No, the glitch didn't work. No. I died. No, I died. Okay, so she wants me to join the pink team. Because she died. I don't know why. But I will anyways. So, now we're on the pink team. So, oh, in this game, you could collect eggs. So, let's collect this egg. And this egg. And the way you earn money is you have to die, and the farther you go, the most money you get. So, yeah. So, I really like it. Okay, make your boat. Okay. So, I'm actually going to do a boat this time. Because let's go here. Hopefully he doesn't come in because I like it when it's just us. Okay, no. Okay, I need a rest because this isn't working. Oh no, who did that? Shop load. Yes. Okay, let's go in it again. Okay, what is he doing? Let me just go in this chair. Okay. So, let me fill in this here. Okay. Let me finish this up. Okay, so now we are ready to go. Everyone get on. Okay, I don't think he could get on. Over here. Over here. Over here. On the other side. On the other side. Okay, now I need to fix this. Okay. Hopefully they don't sell without me closing it. Okay, let me put this in. Okay, so now we got that. Okay, he's sitting now. We're all ready. Ready? Yes. He said yes. Okay, so this is a fun game. She said. Okay, so we're going to go. When she pressed go. Let's go, he said. Yeah, let's go. Someone press out. Yes, I did. Press go. Yay! We're going. We're going. Who put that down? Oh yeah, I remember by accident. Okay, so I did. LOL. Yay! Woo! Let's go. Team Pink. Yes. Okay, so this one you can't control because it's not the glittery walk, and I have cannons where I could just explode stuff, you know. So we can explode big rocks. We could explode little rocks. Explode any rock. I'd rather do big rocks because little rocks don't do damage. Well, they do damage, but I said do. Okay. Okay, so they do damage, but the little ones don't. So I know that. So I like doing this, like the normal ones. It looks like other people are using the cannons. Okay, they could use it. Okay. Look at our whole boat. We just need one more people and our boat will be complete. Okay, so I love her shoes. I love his shoes. So I like this game a lot. And okay, so hopefully we go and we win this thing because I want to win this because I got to the end before, but not in tip-top condition. I made it in this boat. Looks like people are playing around with them. Okay, so I made it in this boat and I made it by myself because Leopard didn't want to go with me, so she went in her own boat and I went in this and I made it. She actually regrets not coming. So let's just go. People are not helping with these cannons. Help. Okay, so it's 1 damage. Okay, that didn't help at all. Okay, so we have to win this. Just in case. Just in case, okay? Okay, just in case. Whew. Okay. Oh, I hate this one. But it looks like we're... Oh, never mind. They go down. Okay, that didn't help. Okay, so... We got this. So if you were like... out... And... Like... If your head was out and it hit you with the arrow, you'll die. So it's good it's better if you have a roof, you know. And when you go to end, you can be decapitated. It happened to me before. Both legs gone and arm. So it happens. It's kind of funny too. He said, "Let's go. What's your durant time? Let's go. What's your durant team?" Okay, so we are making a vid. We are making a video for YT. Our channel name is Kawaii Gaming Gato Crew. Kawaii Gaming Gato Crew. The W will go in. Kawaii Gaming Gato Crew. So look at our boat. Oh no, his chair got off. Oh no. Gato. Oh no, I forgot. Okay, gato. Okay, it looks like leopard joined. Oh, we're upside down now. Okay. Oh no. I'm not up. Okay, she's the only one that will survive, girl. You can't survive. I'll stand right here. I stand right here. Okay. What's happening with this boat? Like, what is happening? What is happening? Yes, he can. I'm still sitting. I am standing. I am blank. Standing. She said. So, this is very scary because I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay. Looks like we're safe. Never mind. Okay. That exploded. Okay, so I'm still on the boat. Standing. I'm telling you. I'm gonna stay right here. Okay, what's the next one? Is this one normal? Okay, good. This one. Nope, this is not normal. This is not normal. This is not the normal one. Okay, what's happening? She is so lucky. She got to still sit down. Okay, so looks like I gotta go. For some reason, it's taking me out the window. No, I don't want to die. And I died. Oh no. So I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I love you guys so much. Bye. I'm gonna tell her to say bye. Say bye. I am ending the vid. Say bye. I'm ending the vid. Okay, so I'm telling her that, then she can say bye. So, bye guys. He said bye. And yeah. Now, Cool Cat said bye YouTube. Bye.